family, it's your girl Jay. Welcome back to Jay So Tastic. So what? I don't know, but we doing a lot of upcycling and sewing over here. So lately, y'all know I've been doing a lot of sewing, and yeah. But this weekend, I wanted to get some sewing in. I did attempt to. Well, I did make a shirt, so I'll share that with you at the end of the video, and I'll kind of like put it in a little outfit so y'all can see what it looks like. And then both of my machines decided that they didn't want to act right, so I'm not sure what's wrong with them. I'm still trying to figure it out. But in the meantime, I did go to Hobby Lobby. Y'all, somebody stop me. I can't even make all the stuff I have. So I'm like, oh my God. But they keep having sales, y'all, and they keep having patterns that I find that I like. And they're down to probably like I'll say maybe 20 more new look patterns there. So I'm gonna share with you the new look patterns I picked up, and some notions that I picked up. So here's the first one. It is new look 6407. I'm trying to build up my shirt game because you can never have enough shirts, but I know I don't have enough. So I'm trying to build that up, and yeah, that's what I'm trying to do with that. And then here's another shirt, 6892. I got this one. All right, I think I'm going to extend it into a dress. We'll see when I get to it. Whenever I get to it. 6702, another skirt. I saw this one a long time ago on somebody else's channel, and I was like, I got skirts, but yeah, I got another skirt. You never can have too many skirts and tops. And then this last top is new look 6701. I ended up and broke down and got it, y'all. I thought it was cute, so I was like, let me get the shirt. I got the shirt. And then I had to get the binding. I went in there because I had to get the binding for the blanket. And when it got the pink binding, and you know, all binding that is, I don't know, $2.49 or less is 99 cents. So I got two of those. And also with the threads, I got some blue thread and some clear thread. I want to see how that's going to work in my machine that ain't working. Neither one of them of my singers are working. And then I found some fabric that they had on sale for $2 a yard. And this is $9.90. Originally $9.90, and it's a speckled stripe, 100% polyester. And I don't know if you can see the speckles on it. Let me see if I can bring it up to the camera. Can y'all see the speckles on it? Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna make out of it yet, but it was $2 a yard, and it was five. Let me see. It was 5 yards exactly on there. It was normally $9.99, which would have cost me $49.99, but it was discounted at $2 a yard, so it cost me 10. So I saved some money, y'all, because if I would have bought it before it went on sale, it would have been $50. And then I saw this kind of like canvas material, and it was 3.25 yards, and it was originally $7.99, and it would have been $25.96, and it was $2. So I spent $6.50 for this 3.25 yards. And I don't know what I'm gonna make out of it yet either. I thought about a little bag or purse. I saw a cute little purse that I wanted to make that I think would work for me. And then I don't know, because it's like it is a, let me see, solid gray, 45 inches wide, and yes, 45 inches wide, and I guess it's a belt. I don't know what that means, but it's more like a canvas material for me and my supervisor down here checking it out to see if it's okay. Trying to chew a hole in my thing. Let me see. I don't know what all that means on there, y'all. But it was $2 a yard. Let me see if that was. Okay. So I know it's a glare on there, but there you go. Okay. No, it don't make a difference. Okay. And let me share the other one again one more time. And let's see here. Where is it at? Okay. So y'all should see that. And that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to finish the blanket. And I don't know how I'm going to do that without my machine working. But I'm going to go figure it out. Probably wondering what it is. If, maybe y'all could leave me a comment below. I've tried several different needles. And for some reason, the needle is not puncturing the fabric so that the thread will stitch in it. I don't know what that means, what that is. I've been trying to look it up and figure it out, y'all, but it ain't working. Somebody help me. So let me go and put this outfit on for y'all, and I'll be right back. Okay, hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. So yeah, but this is the shirt. Okay. Yep. I wanted to hang there, but I don't want to wear a bra with it. So I'm going to make a white tube top out of that scuba white that you guys had saw in the previous video. And so with that said, I'm going to get off of y'all channel, and I'm going to say thank you to my new subscribers. Welcome to the J-So-Tastic family. My OGs, y'all doing it. Y'all doing it. Y'all doing it. Thank you. Even my new folks is doing it. Y'all hitting that like button. So YouTube is pushing me out there because y'all hitting that like button, y'all commenting. They love it. They love it. I love it. I love it. So I hope you had a wonderful holiday weekend. I know mine was full. I'm getting ready to head out to go back to Goodyear and figure out what's going on with my tire. It keeps going down on the driver left side. Yeah, front tire keeps losing air. So, not sure. I tested to see, just to make sure, because the women, they think they don't know nothing. But yeah, I went and tested it, kept putting air in it. In a day and a half, it was out again. So I know it was the front left tire, and he tested it this morning, and they said they can get me in at 2 p.m. So I'm gonna get ready and head back. I'm gonna give me something to eat and head back up there so that they can probably see where it's leaking at, the slow leak. Hopefully, pray y'all, they don't want me to buy a new tire because I ain't got it. I really, yeah, not right now. I don't want to have to buy a new tire. I want them to just plug it, fix it, because that's all in the warranty. So that should be free, and that's what we're going for. We're going for free. Okay, so I got to get off here. My supervisor's scratching at the door. I can put him outside for a while. Sometimes he gets on my last nerve. But I put him outside so he wouldn't be disturbing me. But because I wanted to share this shirt with you guys. So that's the shirt. I like the shirt. I think the shirt is cute. Yeah, so anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video whenever I get my machines fixed. My machines fixed. Okay? I'm trying to work on it today. I'm gonna work on it today, y'all. Okay? Bye. See y'all later. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Well, I shouldn't say that, but yeah, I'm at the end of the video. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm confused because I just got back from Goodyear. Y'all see I'm stuttering and everything. Just got back from Goodyear tire, and it's gonna be $358 for a brand new tire. And your girl, no, I don't. No, Jesus fix it. That's all I can say. Come through for your girl. Because I got to travel to work, and, I'm sure they'll understand, but, just to travel around the city and do what I got to do without depending on somebody else, because I would have to put air in my tire almost every hour. because as soon as they had filled it up and I came home and it sat for like an hour, got back in it and went to the place, and that took about an hour for them to check it and got ready to drive home. Before I got home, the underinflated light came back. So they cannot repair the tire because there is a nail in the obvious place that they always find it at, where they can't repair it, and whatever. Whoa. I don't know if y'all heard that, but the lightning was first and then the thunder. Whew, Jesus. But anyway, that's what's going on with your girl. So I'm gonna go in here and try to figure out how to fix this machine so I can get some sewing in. Hope I can concentrate. Kind of at a loss for words right now, but life is life, and we're gonna make it do what it do. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, be praying for your girl that God makes a way, that it comes through. Yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, like you have been doing. But I'm just here to remind you, your friendly reminder. Yes, I am. Anyway, y'all, love y'all. Talk to you later. Y'all have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully, I'll have something complete by then. I don't know what it's gonna be, but something, okay? Because I can't concentrate right now, but I'm gonna do my best, okay? All right, y'all.